Hey guys, in this video I'm going to cover everything you need to know about taking screenshots on the Mac, how to capture the entire screen, just some windows with and without drop shadow, or maybe even just a portion of your screen. And if you stick around, we're going to look at how to change the default save folder for where all those screenshots go, because who wants thousands of screenshots on your desktop? Not me. The simplest way to screenshot your entire screen is to press Shift-Command-3 on your keyboard. That's going to take a screenshot. In the lower right-hand corner of your screen is going to be a little preview. You can click on that, and it's going to pull it up and allow you to mark it up or make some edits, add some text, crop it. You can actually crop that image if you wanted to here. And then once you're done with that, you can hit done. It's going to go to that default save folder. You can also share it out of here. And if you didn't mean to take that screenshot, you could hit delete. So that is how to capture the entire screen super quickly. To capture a portion of the screen or different windows, press Shift-Command-4. I use this one 99% of the time. Notice my little pointer up here. It's changed to like a little cursor icon. I can click and drag to capture a portion of my screen. It's going to do the same thing, bringing that down here. If I want to save it really quickly, I don't care to open it up. I can just click and swipe that in, or I can wait for it. It'll actually just take 5 seconds or so and get off the screen. And also at any time, you can cancel out of a screenshot by pressing the escape key. Now that's how to take a screenshot of a portion of your screen. To capture a window, same thing, Shift-Command-4. Now, if I press spacebar, it's going to switch to this camera and see all the different windows out here. So depending on the window that I want to grab, like this Spotify window, I can just click on it and it's going to capture that. And you might notice if you're dealing with this later, there's a drop shadow on this. That can be really nice if you're using this screenshot as is, but if you don't want the drop shadow, what we're going to do is Shift-Command-4, press spacebar. And then while you're capturing the screenshot, hold the Option key. That's going to remove the drop shadow from that screenshot. Now it just cuts off right at the edge of the window. One more thing, if you wanted to sort of mimic that print to screen button where it copies it to your paste board or whatever the heck that's called, you can do Shift-Command-4. And then as you're taking a screenshot, no matter if it's the portion or if you're grabbing a window, if you hold Control while you do that, it does not go to your saved folder. Instead, it's now pasteable. So if I were to open up Photoshop, new document, I could paste and it actually is that capture. So that's how you can just grab it and then paste it somewhere else, and you don't have to actually save it to your screenshots folder. Speaking of your screenshots folder, here's another tip, and this one is sort of like the screenshot app / QuickTime. If you do Shift-Command-5, it's going to pull up this little bar. See this bar at the bottom here? It's going to let you capture the entire screen, capture selected windows, or capture a portion of the screen. Everything we just showed you the shortcut keys for. And by the way, just a little tidbit, it allows you to record your screen as well. So if you want to screen record, you can use this. But let me go back to this. In the Options tab here, it's going to ask you where you want to save this. So default, I believe, is desktop, which nobody wants that. I created a screenshots folder, so you could click other location and then select a folder. For me, it's my screenshots folder, and then just choose that folder. Every screen capture from either QuickTime or this screenshot app, which is kind of the same thing, will go to that screenshots folder, and also any screenshots you grab, no matter what, will go to that folder, unless you hold that Control key to save it to your paste board. I don't think that's what it's called, but anyway, so that you can paste it somewhere. So that's a couple little things. You can even set timers on some of this stuff. If you're screen capturing, you can show the mouse pointer, etc. This is how you can screen capture portions of your screen or your entire screen. It's also how you can capture screenshots here in Mac. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments and let me know.